how's your day going, buddy?
Not too bad.
Nice.
Not too bad. Just been hanging out.
Yeah.
Question though, I saw online there's a way to get a free ride on Uber. Could be wrong. I'm not trying to get out of a ride. I'm not going to cancel on you or anything like that. But
You see it on TikTok or something?
I saw it. It was that or YouTube Reels, one or the other. Is it true that if you claim that your driver touched you?
What?
Yeah, is it true that if you claim your driver touched you, you get a free ride?
I mean, I guess technically that would probably work.
Yeah, I was seeing all these little clips online about like for Ubers and Lyft, but I hadn't seen anything like that in the news.
I mean, you're not gonna do that to me though, right?
Well, I mean, no, not necessarily, but you know, if it's a hack for a free ride.
I mean, that if you do like a false report though, like I could get fired for that though.
Well, who's to say it was false? It's your word against mine.
I mean, yeah, but like that's just not like morally, like.
Well, it's victim versus prey, I guess. So.
Okay, well, please do not do that. Like I have a life, like I have a family, and like I don't want them.
I don't want a free ride.
Well, I don't want to end up on the news.
Like I just said, you don't see it on the news anywhere yet. People are claiming it's happening. That's how you get a free ride, apparently.
You're saying that's trending on the internet?
That's not what I said. Those are your words, not mine.
Oh my gosh. Well, please do not do that because I need to make money. And I was going to use this money to pay my groceries. Like apples are expensive now.
I'm at a block.